everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. It's pretty rainy here in BC. I hope everybody's staying safe. Got my bag of the day. Melissa sent. Happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Woo! Cool mini backpack. This is going to be featuring in my Halloween bags. Spectacular. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, so I just have a real quick one today. Came in a bag like this. Got my blade. And how does everybody celebrate Halloween? Do you go out, or do you have the grandkids over, or any fun things you happen to do? Alright, we're in. Alright, that's it for that. Alright, this is the new Pikmin 3 Deluxe. It looks like this. It's for the Switch. So I'm looking forward to playing this. It's supposed to be more updates than the Wii U. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how I like it. If you guys happen to get this new one, how do you like it? Leave your comments below. And that's my unbagging or unboxing for today with the Pikmin 3 Deluxe on your Switch. So enjoy, and until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys, and stay tuned for my Halloween bag special. That'll be coming up next. Have a good day. Bye, guys.